Hey, happy June, everybody. It's Renaissance Man, and this is my monthly visit. This is my black cherry tomato. You can see he's got quite a few cherry tomatoes and blossoms going. I come over here. This is my lemon cucumber. I think I have a whitefly problem. I'm going to have to go get some neem oil. You can see the holes here. And over here are my pepper plants. So this one has a similar problem. He hasn't had any flowers yet. This one is my jalapeno, excuse me. And he's got some nice peppers growing flowers. This is my Thai chili. It's got quite a few chilies growing on him. You can see how nice those grow. And this is my other Thai chili pepper plant. Over here is my tomato plant my friend Bob gave me. And you can see he's got a lot of blossoms. He's also got some nice tomatoes growing. Not sure what kind of tomato plant this is. We'll find out. My habanero over here is getting baby habaneros. He's doing really well. He's got quite a few. This is my biggest pepper plant. You see how much bigger he is than the other ones. These are my green onions and rosemary. The garlic's been harvested. This is my massive cucumber plant that's just growing so huge. My mint, probably a white fly problem. You can see these white spots. And this is the ahi pepper plant. So I'm gonna pick some neem spray up today and try that. Come over here, we can see how big this cucumber plant has gotten. And also this is my Thai basil. He's doing really well. My oregano plant unfortunately died. My dill is doing really well. See, he's going to seed. I'm gonna probably use that for pickles. Over here, you can kind of see the back. See how big this guy's gotten? He's ginormous. And my basil plant is doing well. I gotta spray it for whiteflies and bugs and neem oil on those guys. You can see this is like really small when I started my garden, and now it's huge. So it's doing really well. And then today I did a transplant of my serrano plant. So he was root bound. We found out, my friend Bob came over and helped me. He was root bound. Put him in this much bigger container. Hopefully he'll be happy. You can see he's got a lot of peppers growing, dozens of peppers. It's just amazing. I'll make some serrano hot sauce, I think, with this guy. Over here is the remaining mystery pepper plant. I have no idea what pepper plant type this is. He's got blossoms, so hopefully he'll have some pepper soon, and I can identify exactly what kind of pepper plant this guy is. He's the only one I don't know yet. This one I think is my poblano or my mammoth jalapeno. He's got some nice big fat peppers on him. So overall doing pretty good. A few pest problems, but overall pretty good. And the wind and heat has been challenging. But overall they're doing really well. So hopefully I'll have a good harvest this summer. So he's a really big plant. This one's got these wilting leaves on top, probably heat stress of some type from what I've heard. I don't see any bugs, fortunately, so we'll have to look and see what's going on. Got some holes every now and then. Yeah, so these got holes, so I'm gonna have to get some neem oil today and try that. Something ate this leaf right here, but like I said, we'll keep going. Oh, I forgot to show you my shishito plant. So this has got some shishito peppers on it. I've never grown shishito before, so these guys look great. So they'll be good eating soon, hopefully. And this one is a jalapeno plant as well. Cheers, hope you're having a good day.